Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
General formula for alkanes CnH2n+2. Correct answer is the general formula for alkanes is CnH2n+2, where N represents the number of carbon atoms in the alkane molecule. This formula signifies that alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons composed solely of carbon and hydrogen atoms, with each carbon atom forming 4 single covalent bonds. This formula reflects the structural simplicity of alkanes, where the carbon atoms are arranged in a linear or branched chain with hydrogen atoms bonded to the carbon atoms. The number of hydrogen atoms is precisely to more than twice the number of carbon atoms in the molecule, representing the maximum number of hydrogen atoms that can bond to the carbon atoms in an alkane while still satisfying the tetravalency of carbon. By adhering to the general formula CnH2n+2, one can easily determine the molecular formula of any alkane based on its carbon atom count. This formula serves as a fundamental principle in understanding the composition and characteristics of alkanes, which are foundational compounds in organic chemistry and play a crucial role in various industrial and biological processes.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.